Folks, this is $15,000 work from some contractors. So here's the mess that they left for a few weeks. Eight inches deep concrete, useless. They didn't even finish the concrete slab up to the end. Okay, so connection here is inconsistent. They don't pick up anything, just leave everything on the floor. Let's go to the front yard. They wanted to do some gardening, so they just found some plants and bring them here in case it's useful. No nonsense, total nonsense. So this is the gutter that should be put back. They never put it back and they leave it on the floor with some pipes that they shoot garbage, shoot trash, you know. They left their tools everywhere. So, yeah, pipes. They didn't hold everything. Shower. They didn't remove the whole frames from the concrete work. Left pieces of wood. Pieces of wood. All right. So now the fence. Fence is a work of art. So we asked for a modern fence. They let us buy some building construction wood, like no finish, nothing. And the guy just took it, started to hammer everything. It's totally inconsistent, not aligned. You can see through. All right. Pieces of concrete everywhere. They don't pick up anything. Wood. There's a door that should go away. It doesn't go because it doesn't have legs. Another shower. Cool. This is my my pipe, my hose. It's always been like that for weeks and weeks. They don't even bother putting it back. They broke my wheelbarrow and just left it like that forever. No pickup, no holding. Framing never removed, and garbage. So folks, this is $15,000 work, and the guy wanted to Nasser and Aji wanted us to give them 9,000 more because they were running out of money, and they had a tantrum and they started to be aggressive against. So this is the air vent for the bathroom that I asked to be installed. They just plugged it this way, you know, and they didn't find any switch. They didn't care. They didn't look for more than that. no other solution, and they didn't attach the pipe to something else, such as this section that could go away out of the roof. They just left it like that, so the air of the bathroom is just going into the attic. They could have put something here, but nope, no way, no pipe. And they told me that they would do it tomorrow, every time tomorrow, but they never did it. All right, so this is the kitchen range hood. So the work is acceptable in a way, but anyways, here's how you get the electrical wiring, and that's the cool part. They take this right like this, you see? So this is the finish that they have, right? The air from the kitchen gets into the attic and eventually outside, if you're lucky. And somewhere, because the guy was supposed to put some fan here, well, I don't think he'll do it. He's not welcome back. This is the range hood. And then I saw in a pile of garbage a bag, and inside this piece that they just didn't pay attention. It should have been put on the top. It was with the user's guide. Everything was about to go to the trash. I found it back by mistake. So this is the bathroom air vent, which is always on. There's no switch. They didn't bother to do anything. It's the way it is. I know it was tough because it's a hiker house, but say, yeah, you know what, it's cool. I mean, you have air. Cool guys, thanks. Appreciate it.